To the replay. Hey you guys, it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent designer with Chalk Couture. As you guys come on, please make sure you say hello to me. I would love to welcome you. If you're catching me live, you're going to see the big red live box in the upper left-hand corner. That means we can chat live right here on Facebook. And if you're catching me on YouTube, you guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for all the fun, crafty videos. And you guys, the greatest compliment you could give me is a share. I would love it if you'd share this video. In the bottom left corner of your mobile devices is that share button. Hi guys, happy Thursday. Whoop whoop, 3 days in a row. Loving it, right? Super excited to be here with you guys. Happy Thursday. Lots of crazy things happening. It's already 4 o'clock today. Like, my day flew by. I went to like 3 different stores looking for something and finally just decided to go with something. Hey Debbie, how are you? And I can't say it because if Jason watches the video, then he'll know what I'm talking about. So I can't. Tomorrow's his 50th birthday. So I can't say it. I can't say it. So you guys, hi, how's everyone doing? My name is Jennifer Jones. I am an independent designer with this really cool company called Chalk Couture. So all these gorgeous things you see around me, look, there's our cute little deer from yesterday. Remember these guys? Look how adorable they are. Hello, Miss Ashley. Make sure you get your deer if you haven't gotten those. But those were created using Chalk Couture products. So real quick, what is Chalk Couture? We are a DIY home decor and crafting company. You won't find our products anywhere else except through designers like myself. Thanks for sharing, Miss Debbie. I appreciate it. We have these super cool silkscreen reusable transfers. We have our Chalkology chalk paste and we have Couture inks. We do have all the tools that you need. We have many, many surfaces to choose from, but you guys, this can be done on wood, tin, glass, metal, canvas, cardstock. You can make t-shirts, dish towels, pillowcases. The list is truly, truly endless, but the greatest thing that I can offer to you is this home business opportunity where you can become a designer like myself. You can do this part-time, you could do this full-time, you can do this as a career change. You can still earn some extra money before the holidays. Just put a hashtag join in the comments and I will get you that information. We are available in the US and Canada. This is our current investment kit that you see right here on your screen, and I would love to share it with you. Hey there, Miss Sandy, how are you? So just put that hashtag join in there if you're interested in learning more. So really quick project for you guys today, because I know it's already 4 o'clock. Some of you guys have to get dinner ready. I know the kids should be coming back soon. They took Matthew to the aquarium today. So crazy busy running around trying to get stuff done. But just to kind of show you how this works, you guys, this is actually one of our older surfaces that we used to carry. This is called our Aiden frame. We have it available, I think, in white now. I think it's going to be coming back in stock soon. What I love about these boards, oh, you're fine. Okay, cool. Yay. I'm glad you're so fine. That's my Sandy. That's my Sandy. Guys, make sure you say hi. Hi. These are a beautiful chalkboard, you guys. They are a porcelain steel magnetic chalkboard. These are absolutely one of my favorites. They are a little higher end and a little bit pricier, but totally worth it, okay? What I want to show you though is, as you can see, I have this design on here already. So, like I said, hashtag like, hashtag share, hashtag comment. Super cute, right? What you want to see is this. So this was done in our chalk paste. Our chalk paste is water soluble, semi-permanent, okay? So it goes on as a liquid, dries as this solid. You can touch it and feel it, you guys. This is not coming off. But here's the kicker. If I want to remove this and it is on a non-porous surface, all I need to do is this. I'm going to spray this with some water, just like this. I'm going to let this sit for a couple minutes, and then we're going to be able to remove it, and that is the beauty of our chalk paste. You guys, our chalk paste is only available through designers like myself. You can't find this anywhere else, which is why this opportunity is super amazing. Now, I'm going to let this sit for a minute, and I'm going to tell you something. So, like I said, your chalk paste is water-soluble, semi-permanent, okay? If you choose to make a design permanent, maybe you're going to put it on your front porch, maybe it's going to hit maybe a little bit of weather, or in your bathroom, I recommend sealing it, and this is what I use. It is a Krylon clear sealer, okay? You can buy this at any of your craft stores. Some of the other stores may have it, like Lowe's or Home Depot. in the paint section as well, but that's what you're going to use to seal it. But please make sure you do that outside because woo, is it strong smelling, okay? So I've let this sit for a couple of minutes. I'm going to take my little scraper and just go like this, you guys. What happens is that water reactivates the chalk paste, so I'm going to be able to redo my designs. Why is that awesome? Hello, maybe you have a beautiful chalkboard over your mantle in your fireplace or in your entryway. Hello, Miss Patty, welcome. You guys, this allows you to change it out for each and every season. Super amazing and awesome, especially if you are a Chalk Couture lover, you guys. So many new designs come out. We have over 200 designs, you guys. Over 200. It's crazy awesome. You can constantly change this out to fit your decor. Now I'm going to take my board eraser and go over it just to get a little of that shadowing out of the way. And I've got some water up here that I need to kind of go over there. So I'm just going to take that and go over it. Just like that. Let me put this to the side. Hold on, you guys. I got some water up under my board there. Okay. And then I'm going to wipe it off. I'm going to get my hair dryer. And then I'm going to dry it. Isn't that neat to watch on like video? It's like, wow, it just goes away. And now I have a brand new surface that I'm going to be able to chalk on and create on, you guys. Maybe you have a monthly crafting club. Like we have a Club Couture subscription, which is a monthly club. You could get together with your friends using the same surface each and every time and create together for a girls' night or a family night, you guys. Super great ideas that you can do using Chalk Couture products, and that's what I love, love, love. All right, you guys, so here's the deal. We are going to be doing the Making Spirits Bright. Why is this one so special? You guys, this is our Watts of Love transfer. So for every one of these purchased online, which you can purchase right on my website, $2 goes to Watts of Love. Watts of Love provides solar light for those who have never had light. They've never seen light except for the light of the sun. They use kerosene heaters. They use dangerous kerosene in their homes. Zutega is one of the big words that mean anything is possible out in for Watts of Love, you guys. So if you are interested, and I totally lost my train of thought, and I apologize, because Watts of Love is so important to Chalk Couture. Watts of Love has offered them so many opportunities to provide light for those who don't. They are able to work longer. The kids are able to go to school longer. It's just a really, really great cause, you guys. And this transfer is absolutely gorgeous, and it's perfect for the holidays. So we are going to do our Watts of Love transfer today and give us some Making Spirits Bright happiness. Happiness! So, first thing we're going to do, you guys, is, I can't believe I totally lost my thought. Making Spirits Bright. We're just going to write on the back of our carrier sheet, okay? We are going to be using white chalk paste today, and we are going to be using our gold shimmer chalk paste today. So the first thing you are going to want to do is get your little stir sticks and stir up your chalk paste to make sure all your pigments are blended. And I swear to goodness, you guys, this shimmer is my absolute favorite color. I don't know what it is about that shimmer, but that shimmer gold is my favorite. You want your chalk paste to be a nice creamy consistency, okay? So if for any reason it's too thick, you need to add a little bit of water and stir it up. You don't want it too thick, you guys, because it can dry really quick and it's too hard to spread. You want a nice creamy consistency, okay? We are going to use, of course, this cute little star cutout that my friend had made for me. It's perfect for the Watts of Love transfer. So how adorable is that going to be, you guys? It's amazing. Amazing. So I'm going to take my finger, rub it over the edge to get this started. I'm going to flip it over and remove my carrier sheet. Let me set this aside. I need my fuzzing cloth. Get out my handy dandy fuzzing cloth. And we're going to fuzz up our transfer because it's pretty sticky. You guys, can you believe it's Thursday? You know what tomorrow is? Not, oh my gosh. So it's Jason's birthday. Yes, it's his 50th birthday. Tomorrow is Friday the 13th, you guys. Oh my gosh. Friday the 13th in 2020. Ah, craziness. Craziness. Oh my goodness. Crazy, you guys. Crazy. All right. So the first thing we are going to do is this. We're going to put this on here where we want it. Okay. I'm just going to set that down, and then I'm going to smooth it out so there's no air bubbles in my silk screen. Now, if I want to replace it, I totally can. You just pull it up and put it back down where you would like it. Where you would like it. And then again, smooth it out so there's no air bubbles. So when you're smoothing it out, you guys, everywhere that you can see through, this is all your silk screen. That's what you really need to worry about. Like these edges, if you want to, you don't need to press those down. There's no reason for that. That's not going to have any kind of chalk paste in it. So we're going to be doing just our dots on this one and the Making Spirit Bright because we need to do the star separately, okay? So let's get this started. I've got my mini squeegees. I'm going to take my shimmer gold and I'm just going to scrape it across my silk screen. It's that easy. If you can spread butter, you guys, you can do Chalk Couture. Anybody can do this. Again, fun for the holidays. Maybe you've got some family coming over and you want to do something fun this year. You could totally get some Chalk Couture and do it all together. How fun would that be, you guys? Making memories and letting Chalk Couture be a part of that. That would be a fun idea. You can make ornaments for your tree. You can make gifts for each other, whatever you want. Okay, let me get my white. And again, doesn't matter if you go top to bottom, left to right. Does not matter. Just make sure you scrape it across that silk screen. Oopsies, I got it on my frame. See, I'm messy. I am messy sometimes when I don't pay attention. I got it right on my frame. But no worries because we can get it right off of there. Okay? And let me pull this up because I still need to use this transfer for our star. Okay? Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so pretty. Look at my letters. Perfect letters every time, you guys. Perfect letters. No weeding, which is super awesome. And I need, let me just see if I can use this. I got it there. Oh, I have a Q-tip. Thank goodness. I thought I had a Q-tip here. Oh, see, I got it right on my frame. We're just going to wipe it right off. Just a little bit of water. Comes right off. No boo-boos. There's no boo-boos in Chalk Couture. No boo-boos. You can always fix them. Just don't want to hit my letters because they're still a little wet. Okay. Just like that. Okay. There's our cute sign so far. Super simple, super easy, right? I'm going to set that aside for 1 second because I need to bring this back up so that we can do our star. Okay. And then once I'm done, this transfer is going to go in water. And we're going to clean it off with water, wipe it down with a Clorox wipe. We will let it air dry, adhesive side up, you guys. And then we'll put it right back on that carrier sheet. And we could totally use this again. Like, I think this would make a really cute t-shirt, to be honest with you. I think that'd make her a cute sweatshirt for the holidays. I think that'd be adorable. Okay. I'm just going to go over this. And this is just a wooden star that I had made, painted with chalk paint. And I dried it, and I waxed it. And now I'm just going over it with this. I think pink and gold is pretty together. So that's why I went with that. for Watts of Love. And how perfect is it making spirits bright? Like bright? Oh, thank you, Pamela. Welcome, welcome. Welcome from Canada. Look at that, you guys. Look how adorable. Thanks for sharing, Miss Tina. Look how adorable the star is. That's even cute as an ornament. It's good, Sandy. That's the beauty of it, right? We all do it. It's fun stuff. And I got it all over my fingers. All over my fingers. Okay, let me dry this because I'm going to have to touch it. I'm going to dry this. This even might have been pretty in silver. Totally could have done that in silver. Now, I do like to say the shimmer chalk paste does take a little bit longer to dry. And we're just using our hair dryer to speed it along. I really, really like this star. I think it would be an adorable ornament. An ornament on the tree. And then let me bring this back and let me make sure these are dry. Making sure we're all dried, you guys. So who's excited about Friday the 13th tomorrow? Isn't that exciting? Woohoo! Friday the 13th. All right, and then I'm just gonna take some Velcro, okay? Now, I don't have any magnets. You can buy those double-sided magnets. I just happen to not have any right now. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of Velcro on my star, you guys. And I'm going to put this right here in the center. Okay? Just like that. I just like the 3D effect, you guys. I don't know if you've learned that yet. But look at that, you guys. Super cute, super adorable. Just gives it an extra little pop with the 3D. And it's gorgeous for the holidays. This would be perfect in an entryway over a fireplace. Honestly, you could put this even in a bathroom if you decorate your bathroom for the holidays, you guys, or makes a really great gift and a really fun project to do together, you guys. I hope you choose to buy or purchase the Watts of Love transfer. Number one, just because Watts of Love is super amazing, and we do give $2 for every transfer sold. But, I mean, that's just perfect for the holidays. And again, I think this would be adorable as a t-shirt, you guys. So please feel free to check everything out right online at chalkinwithjen.com. Remember, you are welcome to learn more about being a designer like myself. If you want, just put a hashtag join in the comments and I will get you all of that information about becoming a designer. And you guys, I do have an amazing VIP group where we have a lot of fun things coming up over the next couple weeks. If you are not a designer, I would love to welcome you. Just put a hashtag VIP in the comments and I will get you that link to come join us in our VIP group. You guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you loved our Baking Spirits Bright project. If you have any questions, let me know and I will talk with you later, guys. Bye.